ये जी, this is the open female class long stock hair. This is a really high quality class. Give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. इस क्लास की जो पहली दो कुतियां हैं, ये बहुत ही शानदार क्वालिटी की कुतियां हैं और ये ऐसी कुतियां हैं जो मैं चाहूंगा कि मेरे कैनल पे होनी चाहिए. तो give the owners and breeders a big round of applause. बहुत top quality class. The winner of the class, catalog number 207, is a large, expressive, very typeful female. She's got a beautiful dark head with dark mask, with matching dark eyes. She's got high withers, straight from back. She's got a very good developed full chest, good proportions, height to length, very good hind angulations, good length and lay of croup, and she presents herself beautifully in both phases with very good hind thrust and free flowing front reach covering a lot of ground. Excellent one today. Congratulations. 209 is another very high quality female. She's got a beautiful strong head. She's got beautiful expression, dark eyes, dark mask, very good high withers, straight from back, very good front angulations. If particularly looking under the microscope, because in a level of competition this high, every little thing matters. She stands open in the front, and her croup is a little low set as compared to the female in front. Nonetheless, she's a super quality female. She's got very good front free-flowing movement with very good hind rise and ground covering movement, and she presents herself beautifully in both phases of the walk and trot. Congratulations. 20210. She's an absolute medium-sized female. She's got a dark mask, she's got dark eyes, she's got high withers. 211. She's another typeful, richly pigmented female. She's got a beautiful mask, dark eyes, high withers, straight firm back, good front angulation. Catalog number 208. She's another nice quality female. She's got a good pigmentation.